It was the centerpiece of his campaign, cracking down on illegal immigration. And today,
birthright. That's a big one.
A key part of President Trump's agenda facing its first test in court. A judge in Seattle considering whether to block Trump's executive order on birthright citizenship before it goes into effect. Opponents to the executive order, including the 4 states behind this lawsuit, argue the president doesn't have the authority to change the conditions around birthright citizenship, and that birthright citizenship itself is protected under the 14th Amendment.
The 14th Amendment protects the rights of every American citizen, no matter their ancestry.
But the new administration's Department of Justice argues the 14th Amendment does not include children of undocumented immigrants because the parents, when here illegally, are not subject to the jurisdiction of the U.S.
This is about ensuring the citizenship, a cornerstone of our national identity. It is protected, respected, and aligned with the principles upon which this country was built.
On the southern border today, the first of 1,500 active duty Army soldiers and Marines set to arrive to help detect and monitor illegal border crossings. But some local officials say they don't need the help.
And we don't need troops along our border here because it's very safe.
The military will also be used to build new barriers along the border and provide air power for deportations. The Pentagon says the military will not participate in law enforcement. Border Patrol will lead that effort. A senior defense official tells ABC News this is just the start.
It was really an invasion. We will not allow our territory to be violated.
And Trump could sign his first piece of legislation soon. The Laken Riley Act passed with some bipartisan support. The bill, named for the 22-year-old Georgia nursing student killed by an undocumented migrant, requires DHS to detain undocumented migrants charged with crimes like theft and assaulting a police officer. Christiane Cordero, ABC News, Washington.